Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. First question, hello, thank you for your transparency. It's actually very refreshing. Thank you, Deborah. What is your thoughts on using stock photos to use or not to use? Okay, so that's a thing that a lot of people do. Some brands allow you to use their photos. I came across this blog post. I am gonna have to try to find it and hopefully I'll be able to link it down below, but it had a list of all kinds of brands that allow you to use stock photos. Technically, those photos are copyright to that brand, and if they wanted to, they can get your listing taken down. I know that's really popular to do on eBay, and it's actually becoming pretty popular to do on Poshmark as well. There are actually brands that have teams dedicated to like scouring the internet and finding their stock photos and kind of like taking them down. I get why people use stock photos. They look great. You know, they're professional friggin' photos, so yes, they look great. But again, it's technically against the law actually to use like a copyrighted photo. If you have permission from the brand, there are a couple of brands that I have gotten permission from. I just sent emails to their like PR or social media teams. You can find those email addresses on their websites, and I have gotten like written like email permission from these brands to use stock photos. Like I said, there are other brands that just like allow people to use them. I'm gonna try to find that blog post and hopefully I'll link it down below. As far as my thoughts on using them, you guys know that I play by the rules. If you have permission from the brand, use them. You know, if you don't, you can do whatever you want with your business. That's one thing I feel like I have to stress now. You can do whatever you want with your business. I just make these videos to give you guys like tips and tricks and tell you guys, I mean, technically what's right and what's wrong. You know, like it's technically wrong to use a brand's photo without their permission. Next question. Hey Vanessa, I love your videos and have a question about Victoria's Secret pink apparel. I've been finding a lot of pieces lately at my thrift stores. How do you go about listing the sizes? I have a medium that fits like an extra large. Would you list it as a medium and say it fits large, or an extra large and say it's actually a medium? Thank you. Okay, Aaliyah. Ooh, that's a pretty name. Victoria's Secret is the worst with their sizing. They are so inconsistent. It's actually like it pisses me off. It really does, because I find a lot of Victoria's Secret. I sell a lot of Victoria's Secret, and the sizing is just all over the place. Like I can literally fit into an extra small all the way up to an extra large, because that's how inconsistent their sizing is. So crazy. And like I said, it's so annoying because I'll buy something and it'll literally be an extra small, but it fits like a friggin' large. I'll make sure to put in the description, size tag says size extra small, but measurements measure like a large. And I will tag it as the size that it measures as. I haven't had any issues with that. I do that with like any brand that has like a size marked and it doesn't really fit as that size. I will list it as the size that it fits at, and I go by like a standard size chart to make sure that I say like, hey, you know, the brand tagged it as this size, but it measures, you know, either bigger or smaller, and I haven't had any issues with that. Yeah, it's definitely very annoying, especially if you go to like order something from their website, because you literally don't know like what size to get. Order medium and it comes and it fits like an extra large. Like it's just, I don't know. Somebody commented on one of my videos and said it's because they use, what did they say? They said it's like because of the fabric that they use, or no, they said it's the way that the materials are cut. I don't know. I wish I could go back and find that comment. Maybe while I'm editing, I'll be able to do that. But somebody tried to explain to me why it happens, and I think it kind of made sense. I don't remember. But like I said, I'll try to find that, and I will like put it up on the screen here if I can find it. Okay, next question. Do you sell on Threadup anymore? I remember their debacle during quarantine, and since then I have not sent them a thing. So I don't sell on Threadup anymore. I actually have like 1 or 2 labels that I could send stuff in, and I do have a bunch of things where I'm kind of like, I am tempted to check it out and see if they've gotten better. I know their shipping times, or not their shipping times, their processing times have gotten better. It used to be like 3 to 4 months. At least I think it's gotten better. All the things that I've sold to Threadup, I haven't made shit. I really haven't. I don't pick up like high-end stuff, so I guess that's to be expected. There are a lot of people that do make good money on Threadup. Rebecca the reseller is one of those people. I'll link her channel down below. She's awesome, by the way. I love her. But yeah, I'll link her channel down below. She does amazing on Threadup. And I think she's got some tips and tricks too. Like I said, I'll link her channel down below. Definitely check her out. Not just for the Threadup videos, but for all of her videos, because she seriously is awesome. Last question is, I love Poshmark. It is my favorite platform to sell on, but I think that there are many changes that should be made. Do you have any changes that you wish Poshmark would make? Thank you so much. I love your videos. Thank you, Melissa. Okay, so actually I do. I have a whole list. I'm actually gonna make a video telling you guys. I think I've made 1 or 2 in the past, telling you guys some changes that I wish Poshmark would make. But yes, I'm gonna make a new video because I have a whole list of other things. I actually have a list on my phone. Let me pull up that list and I can tell you a couple things right now. Little sneak peek. All right, so I wish that they would add more color options. They just have like basic colors like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, black. I wish they had like a multicolor option or like a pattern option, actually, like, you know, plaid or floral. I think Mercari. Does Mercari? I think eBay. eBay might have that. I think it's eBay. I think eBay has that option. But yeah, I wish Poshmark had that option. I feel like that's just a simple thing that they should change. Also, they don't have a category for sweatpants. Like, they don't. They have track pants or joggers. What about sweatpants? What about sweatpants? I sell a shit ton of sweatpants and I'm so mad that they don't have a category for sweatpants. I always put them under track pants or joggers, and sometimes they're just sweatpants. They're not joggers, and they're not track pants. Track pants to me, maybe I'm wrong actually. Maybe I'm wrong. But track pants to me are like, you know, the track material, you know, like track jackets. It's like that material, not like a cotton sweatpant material, you know, material. You know, am I wrong? Am I wrong? Do I need to look up the definition of track pants? You know, but I feel like they're like not sweatpants. They're different, right? Also, I wish that you could do like 2 different sizes on a listing. So like if I had, like I'm looking at this t-shirt right now, it is a men's medium. I think it's a Nike shirt. It's a men's medium, but I wish I could list it like in the same listing as a men's medium and a women's large, because I sell a lot of like unisex clothes and it's annoying. I sometimes just choose like, oh, I'm just gonna list this as women's and not care about the men's, but if I could list them as both, that would be amazing. Like I said, I have many other things that I wish Poshmark would change. I will make a video coming soon. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.